resting at the back, sleeping.
They are gutom.
Yeah, they're hungry as well because they're eating the whole day. So on our way now, going home.
Patiin mo siya doon.
Hi Eric! Kamusta ka na?
Kasapin mo siya.
Hi Miss Mimi! Kamusta ka na? Eric, na-miss ko na yung live with you. Sana kita tayo soon. Maybe this coming Sunday pag hindi tayo busy. I'll see you soon as I miss you. Miss ko na yung mahaba mong buhok.
Baka magpaganda yan, talunin ako.